Okay, so a lot of our customers have asked me what ghee is. Ghee is spelled Ghee, and it is a form of clarified butter, and that's what you see me making in front of you today. We're using whole organic cow butter that is homemade, and we are putting it on a very low heat, and the object is to slowly cook all of the milk particles out of it. So it's more of a dairy-free type oil, but that's what we're left with after we're done doing this. I have it on a very low simmer right now, mainly so that you can see some of the milk particles coming up. And as we cook it, those little milk particles are going to turn like a honey brown. And once I see that color, I'm going to take it off the heat, and all of those browned dairy milk particles from the butter will sink to the bottom, and I'll be left with a beautiful yellow oil. So why we do this, there's a lot of people who cannot handle the dairy, or their particular diet does not allow them to have dairy. This is a real nice way of still having that butter flavor without the butterfat lactose that so many are allergic to. The other thing is, because we are taking the milk fats out of the butter oil, we can go ahead and cook with this oil once it's finished to a much higher temperature. I believe it's 425 before we get a smoke point. So that's a really nice advantage to having just the oil as well. People dip seafood into this type of oil. If you've been to a nice restaurant, you have probably dipped your lobster in ghee, a warm ghee. I'm going to go ahead and turn this up a little bit higher. It takes generally about an hour to 2 hours. No stirring is involved. You can do this at home yourself, but we go ahead and do it for you here at Sunshine Farms. If you're interested, it is on our website, and our website is www.sunshinefarmsonline.com. Again, it's sunshinefarmsonline.com, and we do sell the ghee in a, I believe it's a 20 or 24 ounce jar. So this pot here is only going to make me probably about 6 jars. So anyway, hopefully I've answered a lot of your questions. If not, feel free to text me. Thank you, and have a great day.